What are the causes of variation in demand and capacity? This matters because reducing variation in demand and capacity is a crucial lever to operations management and improvement. Let's look at the causes of variation of demand first, the demand put upon our operations. First of all, there are external factors of demand which originate from the market or outside the organisation. Things like seasonality, winter versus summer, fashion, the new hot thing, changes in consumer and business customer income, recessions or investment booms, sudden global changes, pandemics, wars, legal regulation, competitor suppliers' actions, maybe such as them having problems or expanding, and simple randomness. Then there are internal factors. Yes, a lot of that variation of demand comes from internal causes. Sales promotions, which can cause short-term surges of demand, or scheduling decisions such as batching up orders causing internal surges of work. There are production choices such as building to stock or creating extra work from making mistakes and therefore causing rework. How about causes in variation of capacity? Well, again, there are some external reasons. Perhaps the weather can cause problems, labour availability, people off sick, caught in traffic, external problems such as power supply or delivery issues from suppliers. And there are internal issues causing variation in the capacity of our operations. Breakdowns and maintenance, variation in the work skill level and efficiency, internal disruptions such as if the divisional manager wants to come and visit causing a big tiswas. How we run our schedule can affect our capacity. Perhaps doing certain activities or certain production runs next to each other is more efficient. Then we can get thrown off with expediting priority orders which disrupts everything else. Processes have variation. If you cook a family barbecue 10 times, it won't always take exactly the same time. That's still true if your business is barbecuing family dinners in a restaurant. A final example is internal supply issues, running out of raw materials or having to go and look for them, coordination issues or stockouts. There is always variation in demand and capacity, and it has huge consequences in limiting our output, causing us to invest in extra buffers of inventory, capacity, and time. Recognizing variation for the enemy it is, understanding it and taking steps to reduce it, both demand and capacity, is a big part of the role of being an operations and supply chain manager.